His music is performed all over the world with his iconic beachy sound, and we caught up with Jack Johnson as well as producers, friends, and family involved in the making of Jack Johnson's brand new documentary, Film Surf Music, ahead of its South by Southwest premiere.
So you guys helped with the score of this film, right? What did it mean to you to get to work with Jack and kind of have that special part in making this film come together?
It felt like a full circle moment, because when we grew up, we were listening to Jack's music. We were big fans. We played his songs in the backyard, and when he reached out and wanted to work with us, it felt like a dream come true. And so when we met last year, it felt from the beginning like this is gonna be a friendship and like a really cool thing that we're gonna do.
What's your favorite Jack Johnson song? You just said you guys grew up kind of singing it and performing it. What's your favorite one though that comes to mind?
I think Angel.
Okay, why?
I don't know, it's just him and his guitar, and it's so emotive, like it's kind of sad. When I heard that track for the first time, I wanted to learn it instantly, but he has so many beautiful songs, like hard to pick one, for sure.
Yeah. I feel like this film is obviously spotlighting surfing, but it's also really challenging people to kind of tap in their creativity and their kind of exploration side, right? And I feel like music does that for a lot of us too. How do you guys hope people maybe are inspired within this film, and even, you know, with the help of the scoring that you did?
I think just creating, and by watching this movie, I think it's about family, friends, you know, and like his life. And I think it just shows that like being surrounded by good people is so important, you know, keep them close, protect them. And with the score and the main track, Hold On to the Light, they're just like, caring, you know, caring of each other, and especially in those times, like not to lose hope, you know. I think that's important, and even if it's through art or surf, like you can feel like we need good people around us, you know. That's it.
Yeah, I think that's really special. Well, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it.
For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.